Yogurt and kefir introduce beneficial probiotics into the gut. These probiotics help balance the gut microbiota, reducing harmful bacteria. This balance reduces inflammation throughout the body, potentially improving skin conditions. Kimchi and sauerkraut provide a potent mix of probiotics and digestive enzymes. These elements aid in detoxification processes within the gut, helping to eliminate toxins that can contribute to skin issues. Improved gut function supports overall health, leading to clearer and more radiant skin. Bone broth is rich in collagen and glutamine, essential for maintaining a healthy gut lining. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish reduce gut inflammation, alleviating skin redness and irritation. Collagen from bone broth directly supports skin elasticity and hydration, diminishing fine lines and promoting a youthful appearance.